Welcome to Donegal, Ireland. Standing high on Grianan Mountain, the Grianan of Aileach isn't just a stone fort, it's a place where history, myth, and stunning views all meet. From here, you can see Letterkenny, Derry, and the rugged Inishowen Peninsula. It's an easy stop for travelers, and seniors will love that the short walk gives you a panoramic payoff without a long hike. Built before 800 AD by King Aed Ordnaid, the fort was more than a stronghold. It was a political statement of power. But history turned. In 1101, Muirchertach Ua Briain, King of Munster, marched north and dismantled the fortress stone by stone to weaken his rivals. What remains today still echoes that clash of ambition and authority. The walls still stand 5 meters high, enclosing a perfect circle of history and mystery. Standing on the walls of the Grianan of Aileach, you can see 4 counties on a clear day. Donegal, where the fort is located, Derry divided by Londonderry, east toward the city of Derry, Tyrone, inland, southeast from the fort, Antrim, further east across Lough Foyle. Some guides and travel boards highlight this fact as one of the fort's big draws. The views stretch across Ulster's landscape in every direction. The stone fort itself, about 23 meters across inside, could realistically hold a few dozen men at once, maybe 30-50 warriors plus attendants, depending on how it was used. The terraces and wall walks were designed for defense and lookout, not long-term living. Everyday housing for the king's followers, craftsmen, and families would have been outside the stone fort, spread across the larger hill fort enclosures that surround the summit. Those outer earthworks could support a larger community of several hundred people during times of need. At its height, it wasn't a city, but more like a royal residence and ceremonial fort where warriors could gather and the king could display his authority over Ulster. Stone walls, sacred legends, and sweeping landscapes, the Grianan of Aileach is Donegal's window into Ireland's past. Whether you come for the stories or just the views, this site is unforgettable. I truly enjoyed my day at the Grianan of Aileach. Standing on Grianan Mountain, I could feel the rain, the wind, and the cold, and in that moment, I felt like I had traveled back in time. It's powerful to stand where people from centuries past once stood. Seeing it with your own eyes is something special, and this place is exceptional in every way. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, subscribe, and join me as we explore more senior-friendly adventures across Ireland. Remember, you guys, keep it simple and keep moving.